curve is to have a radius 573 meter. The tangent intersect at chin edge 1060 meter, and the angle of intersection is 120 degree. Now we are going to find that the following elements has given to us just tangent distance, chin edge at the beginning and at the end of the curve, length of long chord, degree of the curve, apex distance, worst sine distance. So in this video we will calculate all these terms which I called their names. So for this calculation, let's go to solution. At solution, given data has given to us just the deflection angle theta. We are going to find it. So the intersection angle is given to us 120 degree. So deflection angle is equal to 180 minus 120 degree, which is calculated. So deflection angle is equal to 60 degree. So we have to write here, suppose this is an intersection angle, and we are required to find the deflection angle. So this whole line is equal to 180 degree, and this intersection angle which is given to us 120 degree. So 180 minus 120 is equal to 60 degree. So this is a deflection angle which is equal to 160 degree. 60 degree. This angle is equal to 60 degree. The radius of curve which is known as r. So radius of curve is given to us 573 meter, which means that 573 meters. So this data has given to us. Now we are going to find this element, just like tangent distance, chin edge at the beginning and at the end of curve, length of curve, and so on. For this calculation we are going to find all these by numbers. Number first, a tangent length. Tangent length, suppose this is a tangent distance from this point, tangent point to B intersection point. We are going to find this length which are called tangent length. So tangent length is equal to r tangent theta divided by 2, where r is the radius of the curve, which is equal to 573 meters multiplied by tangent 60 divided by 2. So by calculation 573 multiplied by 2.5774. So by multiplication of this, tangent length is equal to 330.85 meters. So we can write here that this distance which is equal to tangent length, we can call this length, and this length is equal to as we have find here 330.85 meters. So we can write here that this is equal to 330.85 meter, which is called tangent length. So now we are going to find length of curve, which is from this point. Suppose this point, this is the curve. So we are going to find the length of curve. So from this point to the midpoint at the end point, this is called curve. So we are going to find the length of this curve, and we have a formula: length of curve is equal to pi r theta divided by 180 degree. So pi is constant, multiplied by 573 multiplied by which is theta given to us 60 degree deflection angle, and divided by 180 degree. So by multiplication of these we can find this, that length of curve is equal to 600 meter. Now we are going to find the chin edge of first point and at the end point. So we know that chin edge of this point has given to us that chin edge of this point has given to us, which is equal to 1060 meter. So we are going to find that find the chin edge of this point and chin edge of this point. So for this point we minus this distance, which is called tangent length or tangent distance. This distance minus from this chin edge point, we will get this chin edge of this point. Change of first tangent point is equal to change of intersection point minus tangent length. As I have told you that change of intersection point minus tangent length. So we have this 330.85 minus 1060 meter. Then we will get a change of this point. So we can see that change of intersection point minus tangent length, intersection change point is equal to 1060 meter minus 330.85 meter, which is this tangent length. So we will get 700 to 29.15 meter, which is called change of tangent 1. So this tangent point change of this is equal to 729.15 meter, and the change of this point is equal to change of this point plus so we can see here that we know that by chaining up this length of curve we will get this change of this point, which means that add this curve length to this change point, then we will get the change of this point. So change of second tangent point is equal to change of first tangent point, which is here we have written here change of first point tangent point, which is equal to first plus curve plus curve length, as we have written here change of first tangent point plus curve length. So tangent of first point is 729.15 plus 600, which is equal to 1329.15 meter. So we can say that this change of this point is equal to this point plus this point, which is equal to 1329.15 meter. So we can write here 1329.15 meter. And fourth number, length of long chord. Length of long chord is equal to 2r sine theta divided by 2. As we know that theta is 60 degree, which is deflection angle, and r is the radius of curve, which is 573 meter. So we put the value 2r sine 60 degree divided by 2, which is equal to 573 meters. So we know that from this point to this point, which joining the end point of curve, is called long chord. So this long chord is equal to, suppose we have to write here length of this long chord is equal to as we have find here that 2r sine theta divided by 60, 573 meter. So we can say that 573 meter. So this is the length of long chord we have found by formula. The next is sixth number is degree of the curve. So as we know that the relation radius of curve, as we have found in the previous video, which is equal to r is equal to 1718.9 divided by degree. So by this relation we can get a degree. Degree is equal to 1718.9 divided by radius. So radius is equal to 573 meters. So 1718.9 divided by 573, which is equal to 3 degree. So this curve is called the 3 degree curve. Apex distance. Apex distance. So apex distance is the as we can see here that suppose apex distance is BF. So this is the point B, which is I have written here that this is the point B, and this is the point F, which is denoted by F, the midpoint or the midpoint of the curve. So it's mean that apex distance mean that the distance from intersection point to the midpoint of curve. So this distance is equal to, we can find this by this formula, apex distance BF, which is also known as BF, is equal to r into secant theta divided by 2 minus 1, which is the formula, and the same formula as we have found by the previous videos. So this distance is equal to so r is equal to 573 meter, and secant theta which is deflection angle 60 degree divided by 2 minus 1, which is the constant formula. So bf is equal to 88.64 meter. So we can say here that this distance is equal to 88.64 meter, which is equal to b, which is equal to bf. The other is worst sine. So we can see here that ef is equal to r into 1 minus cos theta divided by 2, r which is the 573 meter radius, into 1 minus cos 60 degree divided by 2. So from this calculation, by calculating this, we will get 76.76 meter. So it's mean that suppose this is the midpoint of chord length, which is denoted by E, and this is the other point which is denoted by F. It's mean that this length from this point to this point is equal to 76.76 meter, which is called worst sine. So I hope that you will clear your concept about all this calculation for setting out a curve. We will bring a next videos. Thank you.